natin, wala namang demonstration halimbawa si Sal, si Salome, hindi siya magde-demonstrate.
Everything simulated. Everything is simulated naman. Of course, hindi naman tayo para gumawa ng actual sex acts of lasciviousness.
Wala sa pintado si Steve, hindi siya kasali. Ibang contest.
Saan contest ba si Steve? Ay, Man of Steel. Sorry, Man of Steel. So, choice ko talaga yan. Nakita ko, sabi ko, yan kunin natin to be part of Salome Salvi's Grand House Erotic Ball. So, that's the reason why we're doing this now. Publicity materials, and we also need, syempre, kung ano yung mapapalabas dun sa mga LED wall.
Ang ganda na.
Okay na ba? Sorry.
Kaya na pa naman namin sinasabi na hindi pwede walang ila.
Sorry. Wala kasi.
Hindi. Tinignan ko kay Kate.
Actually, naglakad lang ako para tanongin kung kung gusto nila sa kami.
Makabawal lang ito daw.
Okay lang, may spin.
Pero right now, kasi yung iba, di ba, parang by invitation lang. Siguro by invitation. Ito bawal yung
this open
to the public.
We want to open this to the public. Of course, there will be tickets, There'll be tickets, but it's open to the public because, Halloween is for everyone. It's like Christmas.
Capacity ba na?
Capacity ng Grand House natin, yung ground floor, 180 to 200. Ground floor and second floor.
So hanggang ilan lang, kung maraming gustong sumali, dapat may limitasyon yung sa registration.
First come, first serve.
Hanggang ilan lang.
First come, first serve. Maybe 200.
Oo.
200 tayo dito, chair. I'll get your Pero ang sa akin, may ticket, may prices, may consumable na yon. Tapos meron tayong introduce na sensual menu. So it's gonna be nice. Marami pang program. Meron mga drag performers, chef ng Grand House. Oo, tapos meron tayong mga sexy servers. Of course, I don't want to divulge all the pero alam mo yung sushi na tao, yung makapasok na tao. Yung mga ganon, it's our time.
May dumating na naka-birthday suit.
Woo! Kung yun ang, Walter? Sige. So, kung yun ang di ba?
As in naked lang.
Oh!
Ito prangkahang tanong, RS. Siyempre with Salome's presence, baka sabihin ay malaswayan kasi alam naman natin na medyo nagkikit sa kanya.
Adult content creator siya.
Okay lang. Okay lang. When you say erotic naman, gano'n naman, di ba? Some people like it, some people don't like it. Okay lang. Basta ang sa atin, this a Halloween party, a Halloween ball, wherein you're allowed to do and be whoever you want to be. So kung malaswa, okay lang. Once upon a time, si Madonna malaswa din naman daw. Ang parating compass ko dyan, barometer ko is Madonna. So, once upon a time, sinabi na naman si Madonna, malaswa, nag-uubad, it's all that. Diba? We can be sexy naman kahit hindi malaswa. That's our assignment na kung paano natin ma-exude yan. That's why excited na nga ako eh.
Ikaw ba gaano ka-erotic?
Pwede lang. Alam mo kung yung katawan ko, parang katawan nila Bombading, nila Steve, nila Salome. Ang interview ko ngayon, nakahubad na.
Nag-frontal ka na rin naman dati.
Nag-frontal ako for M Butterfly, pero pinagandaan ko yun ng todo. I did, actually, yun, again, ulitin ko na yan. Now that you reminded me to Jeff. Sa M Butterfly, naghubad ako.
Yes.
Full frontal. Sa harap ng tao for 5-8 seconds. Naghubad ako. So, malaswa, di ba? Pero dahil nailawan ng tama ni John Batalha, maganda yung set na ginawa ni Om David. Kasi pati yung blocking na ginawa ng director. Walang nagsabi na, DRS, nagubad ka. President ka ng Laksway, nagubad ka. I also did, yung sinasabi ni Chok kanina na in the film with Mel Chonglo, the late Mel Chonglo, yung si Bak. I had a love scene with Lawrence David. Pero it was artistically done. So wala naman nagsabi na ginagawa ko. They know that it's cliche as it may sound, it's for art's sake. Diba? Everything. That's why we invited you here. Kita niyo yung shots. Kita niyo yung team na kinuha natin. Seven Barreto, Paris Rojas, John Edrosalan. I made sure kay Mike kasi, sa owner ng Grand House, na this will not be a sleaze fest na, ano yan, kadili, umay. That's why kanina, sorry, hindi ko kayo makausap kasi nakatutok ako sa camera. Tinitingnan ko talaga lahat ng shot. Hindi ako talent this time. I'm behind the camera. Lumalabas yung pagiging behind the camera ko na ako yung, ito pa, 7, gawin pa natin ganito. Bomba, ilabas mo pa yung ganito mo.
So parang creative director ka?
Yes.
Sino director?
Parang ako na rin.
Ikaw
Parang
na rin.
ako na rin yung ano. Of course.
Kasi
with
siyempre sabi may
Excel.
show, di ba? So,
Yes, may show. Meron
so
show
ikaw
for
na rin
that
ang
night.
magdi-direct, no?
Ako yung creative, sila Carlo Galang ang gagawa ng show.
Ng show.
Oo, so I'll approve whatever it is, yung malalabas ng mga waiters, yung DJ, yung prod number ng Drag Queens with Salome. Of course, it's ako, pero hindi na ako yung magdi-direct nun. Sila Carlo Galang na, who's expert sa paggawa ng mga events.
So yung drag queens of Rampa are also performing?
Some,
Joining
not
the-
all, not all. And even if drag queen not from Rampa, pwede namin kunin. Basta magkakaroon kami ng parang audition eh. Kasi may look test lahat. Even yung lighting sa Grand House, babaguhin ko for that night. It's not gonna be that red, well-lit, ano.
So magkano po?
Kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya. Kayang-kaya.
So magkano per table?
Per table, I think si Carlo would be able to answer. Carlo? Magkano per table daw? Si Carlo ang sa marketing, hindi ako eh.
We have tables ranging around 30,000 for 6 packs.
Magkano?
30,000.
30, that's fine.
30K. Parang lumalabas 5K each.
5K.
Pero adjustable mag-uusapan ko kasi parang off the record, parang medyo mataas. So baka, i-ano ko lang, depende sa costing nila.
Kasi launching naman to.
Kaya,
Consumable pa yun, ha?
Oo, consumable. So yeah, ayusin ko with my...
Pero siya ayusin niya pa.
Ayusin ko.
What do you mean mas bababaan?
Special show.
Oh, yun.
Goal mong gawing annual siya.
Ano no?
Goal maging annual thing. Parang mga...
I was telling Salome, you know, if this becomes successful with the help of our press friends, our bloggers, and Micah, and Grandhouse, and Carlo, baka pwede maging annual to na people look forward to eh. So that's why sabi ko, Chok, thank you for inviting all our friends sa press. Kasi we need all the help now. Kasi nagpapakilala kami eh. First time namin to gagawin eh. Pero at least I'm confident with team of 7, the team of Carlo, team of Paris, we'd be able to execute it artistically.
So ano yung magiging talagang title ng
Sleazeball. Sleazeball. Diba it's a term, you're such a sleazeball. Pero,
One word
dahil
ba yun
ball
or
siya,
dalawa?
two.
Dalawa dahil may sa ball eh.
Pero dahil it's a ball, Halloween ball, ginawa na natin play of words. Pero, sleazeball, Salome Salvis, Grand House, Erotic Halloween, parang gano'n.
Ano spelling ng Grand House?
H-A-U-S-S-E.
Ayan ba?
Ito, H-A-U-S-S-E.
Yun pala.
The Grand House.
Personal project, not part of
No,
the
this is
company.
not part of Lux White.
Are you open to sponsors?
Yeah, I think sina Carlo are talking to sponsors and sina Chuk are talking to sponsors already. Would like to, flesh out their fantasies also. Kasama yun. Kasama lang.
Ikaw, ano ang fantasy mo? Na erotic?
Fantasy ko,
Nagawa mo na ba or
hindi pa?
gagawin pa lang?
wala pa nga, hindi ko pa alam kung anong fantasy ko. Siguro naka-birthday suit din. Baka sa 20 ako yung naka-birthday suit.
Talaga?
Kung umabot yung katawan ko. Hindi pa 7 Barreto katawan ko. Pag nag-7 Barreto na ako.
Pero sino mga celebrity sana ang gusto mong makita? Sa event na to. Siyempre mga close friends mo and...
Try to invite our friends.
Si Gretchen ba imbitahin mo?
I'll invite her. Pero I don't know if she. Kasi alam mo, ang communication namin ni Gretchen is just lang. I've never seen her. Di ba, parang sinasabi, the last time I saw her was birthday ni Tony Boy, which was 2 years ago. Ganun
Tagal na.
So it's all, I love you, I miss you, I'm here, I love you, I love you, ganun lang. Pero hindi pa nagkita. I think she's a, trying to know.
Ganun lang yung conversation niya, I love you. Walang masyadong kung ano man.
Ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya, I'm just here. I know how it is na pagka nangangarag ka, tapos di ba parang ayaw mo na masyado marami nag-pressure, kita tayo, usap tayo, gano'n. So, in her own time.
Try na mo puntahan.
Minessage ko lang siya anytime.
Kailan yung last?
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Birthday ni Tony Boy.
Ah,
2023.
May imbitahin ka na politicians.
contract.
Alam mo, sa invite, I don't know. Sila, Carlo na yun, bahala dyan. Pero ako, whatever. Ako, whatever. Sa akin naman, whoever wants to enjoy the night, sa akin ganun lang. It's our chance to have fun that night lang.
Yung na-mention mo kanina kung gusto na mag-costume ng mga Diskaya or
Whatever.
Marcoleta or
Diskaya,
kung sino
Luigi,
mga
Mario,
welcome sila.
Casper, Ursula, Little
Basta
Mermaid.
sexy
Oh, yun ang kanilang dapat. Yun ang kanilang rendition. Kung paano erotic. Erotic na, kunwari, Little Mermaid. Erotic na Little Mermaid. Sexy and sensual na Diskaya. Siguro nakapayong. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Hindi ko talaga alam. I really don't know. That's why excited ako. Kasi I want to see the interpretation. Kasi for the past 5 years, I've been spending it abroad. Like 2 years ago or last year, kami ni Vice sa Tokyo. Ano siya, princess siya, gano'n. Tapos si Ayon, parang Aladdin. So, tapos may mga nakita ako, naglalakad sa Shibuya, pero sexy. Sabi ko, ayun naman, papasexy nun pala eh. Sabi ko, when Micah told me na erotic at sexy itong gagawin na ng ball, maraming may gusto. Maraming kakagat dyan. So, ayun.
Okay.
Thank you.
Picture. Sandali.
Picture kami ni Micah yan. Tara, Micah. Picture tayo dito.
With matching ilaw.
Tara, Micah.
With ilaw, no? Para hindi mukhang...
Of course.
Pero RS, last nung message for Gretchen?
Gretchen, you know, honey, I'm always here. You know that. Even before pandemic, you know, I've always been here. I'm always available for you. That's why I super love you and miss you. Tsaka, you're always nasa prayers ko. Tara, Micah.
Thank you.
Here, I'm still and always be your honey bunny. I'm always here. Parati kita pinagdarasal every Wednesday. Dadasal tayo dyan, and every Sunday and Wednesday. I pray for you. I pray for your happiness. I pray for everything. Even before pandemic, yun naman parati sinasabi natin. So, I love you so much, Gretchen.
Hindi na kayo nagkikita? Kailan
Last time I saw her
last?
2 years ago. So, matagal na. And I miss her. I wanna hug her super tight. I really wanna hug. Every time we see each other, nakayakap sa akin. So, yun. If I see you, Gretchen, manda ka, yayakapin kita ng super sikip.
Hindi ka nagpunta dun sa wake ng brother?
I was in